નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. In previous video, we learned English unit number first, the world of colors. Activity first, the quarreling colors, part 1, we completed in our previous video. Now we have to learn about activity second. Before starting video, I want to give an instruction. Just listen me carefully. In previous video, I gave new words related to activity first. You have to complete that new words in your English fair notebook with pen. First of all, give heading unit 1, the world of colors. Then heading activity first, the quarreling colors part 1. Then downside you have to write new words. After that, completing that new words, you have to give heading activity second. Activity second, then write question answer of activity second in your fair notebook. Today in that video we have to understand about activity second. Activity second is given based on activity first. In activity first we discussed about quarreling colors. Every color quarrel with each other. They think they are superior than other colors, and then we discussed about all the things in activity first. Now activity second, based on that activity first. What is this? We have to discuss about it. Activity second. First question is given here. What colors have you seen in the story so far? What colors have you seen in the story so far? So answer become here according based on our activity first. Answer become like that. So far in the story we have seen violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red colors. They are all the colors of the rainbow. So answer become like that. Second question is there. Which color do you like best? Here answer is dependent upon you. Which color do you like best? But just for example, I think I like a red color best. Then answer become like that. I like red color most because it is the color of our blood and it is identical in all human beings, animals, birds and insects. It is widely used to mark auspicious events. It is also the color of strength and authority. Now third question. Make a list of things you have seen in your favorite color. Here you have to do exercise yourself because you have to make a list related to your favorite colors things. For example, my favorite color is brown. Then I write here furnitures, chair, table, all in a brown color. Like your favorite colors things you have to write here. Okay. After that, next thing is given here. Ask all your classmates about their favorite colors. What colors do your classmates like? Make a chart showing all the colors that classmates like best. Count how many classmates like each color. Here this activity is actually done in classroom because we require all the students here. But I just try it here. For example, in left side column we have to write favorite color of classmates. Here we have to write the name of colors. Number of classmates who like each color. Here we have to write numbers of students like that color. So first of all, for example, I write here black. 3 students like black color. So here we have to write 3. For example, just I write here. Here just I write black. Black. and how many students like it color. For example, 3 students like. So like that you have to make a list here related to colors. So make first of all a list here. From that list we have to complete our next activity number 3. Activity number 3 is based on activity second. So now let's see activity 3 first of all. Activity 3 is given here. Activity 3. Look carefully at your chart. In previous activity we completed our chart. Now based on that chart we have to complete that question's answers. First of all, first question is given here. Was there any color in the rainbow that no one in your class liked? Which color was that? Was there any color in the rainbow? From that chart we have to decide. No one person like any colors of rainbow, and which color is that? We have to give answer here. So answer become like that. We have to complete our answer. In our class, no one liked indigo color. For example, indigo is not that in list. So we have to write that color name which is not included in our chart list. So for example, here indigo I take. So answer become in our class, no one liked indigo colors. Now second question is given here. Which color did the most people like and how many people liked that color? Which color did the most people like? Many people selected that color. We have to write that color's name here. The color that most people like is the most popular color, and most people selected that color. It's become a most popular color. So answer become like that. Almost 65% of students liked orange color. For example, orange color in the rainbow. Hence, we can say that orange is the most popular color. So, for example, 65% students like orange color. So, we can say that the most popular color is orange. Can you understand now? Now, next question is given here. Which color did the fewest people like and how many people like that colors? Which color is the fewest people like? Very less people favorite color. We have to write here how many persons fewest people like that color, and then the color that fewest people like it is known as a least popular color. Least popular color. Very less people like that color. So it's known as a least popular color. We have to write answer here. The fewest people liked, for example, yellow color. It was liked by only 7 out of 45. Therefore, we can say that yellow is the least popular color. Yellow color is considered as a least popular color. So, you have to write all the question answer in your fair notebook. Okay? Just I give answer key on downside at the last of video. Now, next question is there. Is your favorite color one of the most popular colors or a less popular color? In activities second, you decide your favorite color, most popular color. If most popular color is your favorite color is a most popular color or less popular color, you have to write here at yourself. Answer become at yourself. Now most important activity 4 came. Activity 4 is actually the part second of activity first. In activity first we learned about the quarreling colors, part 1. Now here activity 4th, the quarreling colors, part second, we have to understand. It's a lessons part second. Do you need to read part 1 again? Here if you wish to read or if you wish to revise activity first, then you can revise with our earlier video. Now we have to start here activity 4th, the quarreling colors part second. In activity first, all the color is quarreling with each other. They think they are superior than others. So now after that what's happened? We have to see in the activity 4. Now I start reading from here. Just keep attention here. Suddenly there was thunder and lightning, and it began to rain heavily. Now what's happened? When every color is quarrel with each other at that time, suddenly there was thunder and lightning. Thundering and lightning. Thunder means what? The loud noise after a flash of lightning. After flash of lightning, then very loud noise came. It's known as a thunder. So thundering, thunder and lightning, and it began to rain heavily. And now rain started with heavy, furious way. Rain started. The 7 colors. So here new word is given here, thunder. You have to write as a new words in your fair notebook. Thunder means what? The loud noise after a flash of lightning. Now next things I read. The 7 colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. And red. All hear the angry voice of the rain. After that, all 7 colors of rainbow listen the angry voice of the rain. Rain speaking now something in angry voice. Angry voice, rain speaks something. Now what speak? Now we have to understand about it. You stupid, foolish colors, why are you fighting among yourselves? Don't you know each of you is important? The lightning stopped and the thunder quieted. Now what's happened? Now rain in angry voice said that, you stupid colors, foolish color, you stupid and foolish color, why are you fighting among yourself? Why are you fighting with each other? Don't you know each of you is important? Do you know that each color is very important? Why are you fighting with each other? The lightning stopped and the thunder quieted. Now situation changed. The lightning stopped and the thunder quieted. Quieted means what? Became silent now. Thunder become silent now. So here new word is there, quieted. Quieted means became silent. Now stopped. Now what's happened? Now what's say? The rain again. Now next thing is there. The rain said, listen to me. Each of you has a special purpose. Listen to me carefully. The rain said again, each of you has a special purpose. Every color, each color have a special purpose. When I stop the storm, you must all hold hands and help each other. When I stop the storms, when storms stopped, you must all hold hands and help each other. Each color have a hold each other's hands and become a unite here. You will help each other stretch across the sky to make the rainbow. And you all colors combined, joined with each other and making a beautiful rainbow in the sky. The rainbow is a special sign, and the rainbow is a special sign here. It's so that if we all work together and help each other, even with our differences, we will all shine. Here it's a symbolization is given here. The rainbow is a special sign because it's so that if we all work together, if all work together and help each other, we can make a beautiful things. We can do extraordinary work if we combine all other. Each other we combine and make a unity, then we become a different. Like that, you all color combine and make a different types of rainbow in the sky, and it's a sign like a powerful. So unity must be required. You unite with each other, then become a rainbow. With single color, you cannot become a rainbow. Whenever you join your hands, you combine your hands, at that time, you become a rainbow. Not independent single colors become a rainbow. So keep in mind, unity is the most important thing in our life. Now next thing is there, The colors understood their mistake. Now color realized their mistakes. The storm ended and the colors happily joined hands. Now storm ended and the colors happily joined hands and become a beautiful rainbow in the sky. Can you understand, student, now? So now on downside I will give you the answer key of that three activity number second, third and fourth. Just see here. See students, here you need first the word of colors, answer key is given here. Activity second, we discussed question answers. So question is there, what colors have you seen in the story so far? Answer is here given. So far in the story we have seen violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red colors. They are all the colors of the rainbow. Like that all questions answer is given here. In your fair notebook you have to complete activity second, question and answers in your fair notebook. After that second activity, table is given here. In your textbook you have to fill up that table. Fill up this table in your textbook only. We don't require to write in our fair notebook. Just fill up the table in your textbook. Fill up this table in your textbook. Color's name is given left side and then number of classmates who like each color is given here. As an example, answer may be vary. Okay, just it's a one type of example to your study. Now activity 3, also you have to write in your fair notebook. Question is given here, answers is given downside. So question answers you have to complete in your fair notebook. Now after that activity 4, give heading activity 4, new words. Activity 4 heading you have to write the quarreling colors part second, then new words. 4 new words you have to write in your fair notebook. So one note is given also here. Complete all the questions and answers and new words in your fair notebook. Write in your fair notebook. So students, with our videos, complete your work. Okay, just write in your fair notebook all the things and complete your notebooks. Thank you students. Thank you for joining us.